is the spongy bone. These are the septa or the trabeculae A, and these are the bone marrow spaces. In the bone marrow spaces, the bone marrow cells. This will be the inner circumferential lamellae and the few Haversian systems. The few Haversian systems are present in the spongy or the A. Yes. उसमें हमने देखा था in the compact bone the several Haversian system. In the spongy bone, few Haversian system. In the spongy bone, septa or trabeculae. In the compact bone, no septa or trabeculae. In the spongy bone, the bone marrow spaces. In the compact bone, no bone marrow spaces हमने देखे. और क्या in the bone marrow spaces, the bone marrow cells. Bone marrow cells, bone marrow spaces, the septa or trabeculae.